Hello everyone, welcome to Active Finance YouTube channel. This is Babar. In this extract, we will learn finance most repeated MCQs for job test preparation. So this is our first video. Let's get started in. So the introduction of this video is that we will provide you most repeated finance MCQs for test preparation from financial management, financial accounting and business finance. Multiple choice questions with answers will be provided. So prepare yourself for finance and accounts jobs. This video is helpful for those candidates who are preparing for accounts officer job, finance officer, senior auditor, audit officer, accountant and FBR related jobs, etc. So the first question is concerned with acquisition, financing and management of assets with some overall goal in mind. So let's see the options of this. A. Financial management. B. Profit maximization. C. Agency theory. D. Social responsibility. So correct answer is A. Financial management. Second question is having overall goal in mind. Financial management is concerned with. So the options of this second questions are as follows. First is acquisition of assets. B. Financing of assets. C. Management of assets. D. All of these. So it includes all of these. D option is correct. Third, the investment decision is most important of firm's three major decisions when it comes to. So let's see the options of question number 3. First is value creation. Second is value addition. Third is value proposition. Fourth is value deletion. So first is correct. Fourth, annual dividends divided by annual earnings or alternatively dividends per share divided by earnings per share is termed as. So earning per share. B. Proposed dividend ratio. C. Dividend payout ratio. Expected dividend ratio. So C option is correct, dividend payout ratio. Fifth question, profit maximization is maximizing a firm's earning. So let's see the option of question number 5th. A. Before tax. B. After tax. C. A and B. D. None of these. So B option is correct, after tax. Question number 6. An individual authorized by another person called principal act letters on behalf is known as agent, servant, subordinate. D. Assistant. So A option is correct. Question number 7. Stockholders include. So let's see the options of this question. So first is stakeholders. B. Creditors and customs. C. Employees and suppliers. D. All of these. So it includes all of these. Question number 8. All constituencies with stake in fortunes of companies are termed as stakeholders. B. Directors. C. Chief executive officers. D. Subordinates. So A option is correct, stakeholders. Question number 9. The system by which companies are managed or controlled is known as. So let's see the options of this question number 9. A. Management system. B. Strategic system. C. Corporate governance. D. Internal system. So C option is correct, corporate governance. Question number 10. Corporate governance encompasses the relationship among the companies. So let's see the option of question number last. A. Shareholders and board of directors. B. Board of directors and senior management. C. Shareholders and senior management. D option is correct. So that's all for this video. For getting latest uploads, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.